Hello everybody, welcome to the class of concepts of data communication and networking by Balakumari, student of 3rd BSc CS from KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Let's see the concepts of data communication networking. The next slide is repeaters. Repeaters means repeater or generator is a device that operates in the physical layer of OSI model. Its purpose in regeneration of the signal. A repeater is a generator, not an amplifier. A repeater is the OSI model. The next slide is these are the diagram of the repeater in the OSI model. That is device A, device B, a repeater. That is the 7 layers of OSI model: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical. These are the components of the OSI model in repeater. And this is a device A, and this is device B. This is a repeater model concept. The next box is network device repeaters, hub switch bridges. A repeater. This is the concept of repeater. It is a router, and switch 1, switch 2 are the hub A and hub B. These are the second classes of the bridges of the same classes, and these are the second hub in hub A. There are two points. There are two systems via connected through the bridge, and hub B two systems are there connected by the bridge. There is an hub A and hub B will be connected with the bridge class. So next slide is bridges. Bridges operate in the physical and data link layers of the OSI model. Bridges can divide a large network into smaller segments. They have access to station addresses and can forward or filter a packet in a network. The next slide is about a bridge in OSI model. The same concept. There are the two devices. One is repeater concept, application, presentation, session, transport, and network, and data link and physical. These are the layers of and bridges in the OSI model. The next slide is about types of bridges. Types of bridges. Simple bridge. A simple bridge links into two segments and contains a table that lists the address of all stations included in each of them. Multiport bridge. A multiport bridge can be used to connect more than two LANs. LANs is local area network. Transport bridge. A transparent or learning bridge builds its table of station addresses on its own as it performs its bridge functions. The solutions to prevent loops in the LANs connected by the bridges is called spanning tree algorithm. Another solution to prevent loops in the LANs connected by the bridges is called source routing. The next slide is a bridge diagram. This is the bridge diagram about host 6 host and segment 2. The bridge, all the 3 and 6 host can be connected by the bridge function. These are the segment 1 and segment 2. These are the concept of bridge diagram. The next slide is routers. Routers operates in the physical data link on the network of the OSI model. Routers relay packets among the multiple interconnected networks. Router forwards the packet to the next router in the network path until it reaches the destination. They decide a path a packet should take. The next slide is router in OSI model. These are the same concept of the router in OSI model. That is two devices, device A and device B, that are connected through the repeater function. And there are 7 layers: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. These are connected by the repeater 1 and the repeater 2. And these are the same concept of repeater in OSI model. The next slide is. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Thank you.